Hi everyone and welcome back. Today we have this platform called IdeaMap and this is the best way to brainstorm with AI. Now before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Now onto the platform, you can see currently it have this really nice brainstorm feature, and using this you can literally describe anything in here. Let's just go with these already given prompts. So let's just say, how can business protect themselves from cyber threats? I'm going to be selecting this. Now it has this really amazing feature where it generates different type of ideas using the artificial intelligence, and just wait for a couple of seconds until it loads up. So you can see it is now generating the results, and you can even zoom in to check out them more clearly. So it have provided this beautiful idea map, and here we have our main problem, how and importance of customer feedback in business strategies and stuff like that. So you can see various different factors are divided into sub factors, and you can simply go through them and have an idea. Now an amazing thing about this platform is it features, like for example, you can incorporate different type of teams to work on this. You have your product manager, R&D and innovation, and different type of tools available in here. You have your AI co-pilots, chatbots to even boost up your productivity even more. You have your AI actions to automate everything and collaborate with real time in your team. So many other facilities are also available. You can see in here your ideation diagrams, so on and so forth. So a really nice all in all collaborative workflow tool that you can try out. And adding on to this, I have some really positive reviews about this site, like for example, innovative brainstorm solution, and so on and so forth. So really good in general. So you should give it a try using the link in the description below, which you can get yourself using it extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. So make sure to give it a try, also subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.